Oh my goodness. Hello YouTube. I have not made a video in so long. This feels so weird. I am here. I am alive. I am well. I exist. There's a lot of updates that I need to give. Kinda, maybe, I don't know. I am not in the FRS right now. I did get a Corolla as my daily, so it's just a basic 2025 Corolla. I love this thing. It's so comfortable to drive, honestly. I still have my cars, of course. We're finally doing something. But today we're actually going to go pick up my wheels. Finally went to go get my wheels powder coated. I don't know if you guys remember when I first got my work wheels, I had said that ideally I wanted them to be white. I love white wheels. That is my favorite wheel color on almost any car. A white wheel is just like chef's kiss to me. So I just always wanted white wheels. I just like honestly stopped putting like too much care into my car, and I just kind of left it in the back burner. I never went to go get those wheels powder coated. But the FRS is getting a makeover. It is getting a new color. After 5 years of having the same shade of pink, I'm doing a new color, guys. Yes. I don't even know how I truly feel about it, but I'm excited. This is one of the only other colors that I've truly loved on other cars. Never thought that I would be doing it for myself, but I love it. It's an iconic color. It is so good. It is so pretty. I am obsessed with it, but I finally pulled the trigger and decided that I am changing the color, and it's time. After 5 years, it is time. My wrap is messed up. Follow me on Instagram. You've probably seen it. I put it on there. My cars do sit outside now, so it just got a lot of sun damage. I wasn't washing it as often, so the dirt mixed with the sun. It's also under a tree. Like, it's just not good. It looked so bad for a while that I have not even wanted to like take it anywhere, and it just kind of was like so yes, that is what's been happening lately. This video is not about the color. I will do a whole separate video on that. It's actually gonna get wrapped in the next week, so I'm excited. So be on the lookout for that. I'm so excited. And I definitely feel the new year energy. Like, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for a bunch of things that I'm doing right now. I actually just got coffee with my cousin, one of our last little hangouts at our favorite coffee spot, so that's why I'm in this. I do have to go pick up my wheels later today. I'm gonna stop by my sister's house because I was nearby, and it's still very early, so I'm not going yet. And then I'm probably gonna change. I brought like a spare outfit because I don't want to be changing my wheels in this. New year, new me, new car, new color, new wheels. Yes. Heading to Redlands right now to go pick up the wheels. They are all done and they look so good. He sent me a photo of them and I'm obsessed. I was like debating like what route I wanted to go with them, like all white or like, you know, like if do I want to do it. Like the silver looked good. It looked good. I liked it, but I wasn't sure. But Ingo, is this weird? Yes, while I'm in this traffic, let's do a little life update. So I don't know if I ever mentioned in my last video, which was like 6 months ago. Was it 6 months ago? Like 4, 5, 6 months ago? I don't know. Moved already, or I think I was in the process of moving. I'm not sure. I do not have a garage anymore. I think I did mention that somewhere. I believe so. I started school full time. I'm going for business marketing, so that's what I'm in school for right now. I used to be in school for child development back then. Actually, I don't know how long ago that was. That was a while ago, actually. It was right after I graduated. I went straight to college, but I guess that's like my main life updates. On Friday, I'm actually going to be going to Mustang, or like this Ford immersive experience. I'm excited. I've never been to something like that, so I'm excited. I'm going to go with my friend Salma, so I'm actually probably going to vlog. I'll add it to this vlog since it's like in 2 days. I don't have a Ford. I don't got a Mustang, but it's going to be fun. That's one of my New Year's resolutions this year, is to do more fun car stuff. I feel like I kind of got tired of going to car meets. I mean, I've felt that way for a really long time now. I just don't think they hit the same. Like, they're not the same as before. Oh. I wasn't even that close. A lot of people could agree, right? Is that like, is this like a mutual feeling? I'm not sure. I prefer like a Cars and Coffee. Like, I'll go to a Cars and Coffee, and even then I feel like I don't go that often. Like, I need to start going. like I should get new lug nuts. These are ran through. Okay. Hand tight. I have no tripod with me, so I have the most jankiest setup. Look at this. I have you guys on the luggage. I need to see these in the daytime. They look so good. Oh, I forgot to put the center caps.
Sideways,
yeah, wait, you're kind of sideways straight now.
I don't know if you could. Kind of adjust it. Crosses it.
Okay, this is what they're looking like right now in the daytime. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look how shiny it is. Okay, don't mind my side skirt. It's literally falling off. It's so bad, but I have only 2 center caps. Shout out to Oscar for these. He let me borrow them one time at a car show because he had extra and was like, oh, they would look so much better in your car right now. And I was like, you're so right. And then at the end of the day, we couldn't get them off, so he just let me keep them. This is what they look like. Definitely makes a difference. I gotta get the other back too because it's just needed. I think this lip got polished and it truly makes a difference. Oh my goodness. This is basically the condition my wrap is in right now, in case you were wondering. It's terrible. It's bad, but I drop it off in a couple days to go get wrapped. I'm so excited. And your guess is what color you think I'm gonna do for the FRS. Let's see. Should just pop in. Yeah, there we go. I've had them on for one day. I am not going to love this white wheel dirtiness again, but that is why I literally, if you have white wheels or honestly any wheel, but mainly white wheels, please ceramic coat them. My last white wheels, the Conce's, if you guys remember that setup, I had them ceramic coated, and then when I got them re-powder coated, I didn't ceramic coat them, and it was actually the worst thing. Like, if you are not taking care, like, you see how like it has just like this layer of dust? So basically, if you leave it long enough, this little layer of dust, without just like washing your car, I guess on white wheels, it literally left a layer of like brown on my white wheels, so they were never truly white again. I have new Hello Kitty like valve stem covers, so I want to see if they fit on this because I love my little Hello Kitty, but she's looking a little crusty right now. Where I got them powder coated, they made me stickers that are going to match the new wrap, so I no longer have the blue work stickers, and I know those are OG, but I want to see what they look like with the new sticker color that I'm doing because it's gonna match, and I think that's gonna look good. I think it's gonna look good with like the matching sticker. I'm not gonna put those on until I probably go take the car to get wrapped. I'm not sure. Ugh, even on my hood, it's all sun damaged. I wish I would have done the white sooner on this color when it was looking good because it just makes all the difference. Look at that. I go to the Mustang Experience, a little fit check. Ignore that massage chair. I got this. I got some sandals on. Ew, what is that? I need to wash this car too, but now I'm gonna go pick up my friend Salma and we're probably gonna get a coffee because it's a necessity. With Salma! We got our coffee. Oh, shit. Oh my. I'm gonna get run over. So we're just waiting to go in 10. Not yet 9, but now we can say 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Your senses sharpen and energy ripples through your veins. Your vision narrows, the world blurs, the dream.
Introducing the unexpected, the new Ford Mustang.
But as times changed, so too did Mustang. Always the reflection.
We're in a new
Spirit
room.
never stops moving.
Just another little room. Wow, it's so leave this attraction thinking I could totally do that. Please lay down until we get the passes. We're in. We're about to go. Oh my god, it actually smells like it. Oh my, that's wet as my face. Really?